How you doing?
First of all, my bed's this high, okay? So I have to like climb into it.
That's fine. Good. Maybe she didn't want to waste
Even though I got...
You could always get multiple box.
Well, maybe.
My son got it. He gave it to his daughter.
Really?
Yeah.
What is that, like a massage chair? Oh, is that right? Thank you. You guys don't sell Apple here, do you? Apples?
iPads and iPhones.
You sell iPads?
Yes.
Where they at?
Over here on this side.
So you sell just about everything, huh?
Yeah. So we just don't sell the iMacs or MacBooks or anything like that.
Uh-huh.
I'm not certified to sell those yet.
Oh, you're not certified to sell the MacBook?
Yeah. Well, they don't want to give us a license because they don't think we'll do too well.
Sure, for certain products like the
we have
iPad. And you got GoPro?
Yeah.
And wow, you got just about everything.
Yeah.
So you obviously don't control myself for this.
Incorporate another burner at the same time on there, so that's what's
And
happening.
then the precise simmer is over here on this one.
Yeah, I like this one.
Now this is a special gadget only by Samsung. You can put the wok on there. And of course you can fry up eggs here. Pancakes, your little skillet right there for eggs, pancakes. And of course right to the right again is a little gadget there for the wok. Now these new ovens are nice because you can heat the top half. You see this little divider here? This divider is dividing the top half of the oven from the bottom half. There's the bottom half and the top half. So on your controls at the top, you can heat up the bottom or the top half. Very nice. So that completes my story today of buying a Samsung French door refrigerator and also a new gas range oven. So why don't we complete this tour out of this high-end furniture store, but it's much more than just a furniture store. Here we are in the outdoor patio section, and I'll close out by showing you some very nice tables and chairs. This is an experience that we have in America. So if there's anybody else out there in other countries who are not so fortunate as us, I will document this because this is how Americans live before the collapse of the dollar comes. Again, we have to document this because once the Chinese and the Russians decide to collapse the dollar, well, everything's going to change, won't it? Yes, it will. So here we go. Here we go. We'll document this for future generations, how Americans lived before the dollar collapsed. Thank you.
Were you looking for anything to drink? All right. You know better than me.